Now I want to generate a specific prompt by using these large language models. Previous videos, I generated a perfect prompt formula. Through that perfect prompt formula, I generated sample prompts. And then I worked with image generation AI tools and video generation AI tools. But now I want to generate a specific prompt. Now I am giving some inputs to these large language models and generating a perfect prompt to work with diffusion models. Let's start with the Perplexity AI as usual. A monkey walking on snow with a sweater and glasses. Can you generate a text to video prompt for this? Copy, enter, enter, enter with Gemini and finally Claude. So now with Meta AI, I'm going to generating a video. Create in the place of image, select a video. So here I'm going to giving generating prompt. See, this is generated by Perplexity AI. Just copy this and paste it into Meta AI. Wait for a second. Once I generated videos with these single prompts, finally, I will combine all these prompts and then I will try with Meta AI. Now, this is the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Now I am trying the prompt with DeepSeek. So this is a DeepSeek prompt, something different. DeepSeek generating something different when comparing with other large language models. It's really good. And the final one is Claude AI. Let me try with Claude AI. See, this is generated by Claude AI. This is nice. And finally, I will combine all these prompts by using all these prompts, generate a final text to video prompt. Let's see the results. Now by combining all the prompts, generated a new prompt. Let me try with this final prompt, how it is different to other normal prompts. Enter. So when you are working with the prompts, you must need to check with all the large language models. The combination of all the large language models generate a prompt and check with video generating AI tools or image generating AI tools. Let's see this. Let's see the first one. See, this is too good, right? Camera angle, walking style. So now you understood, right, the process how to work with large language models to generate prompts.